Hello class, a very pleasant morning to all of you. Today, I Richa Parekh from St. Thomas High School, Mahua, am here to further continue with the revision lecture of social science for the students of class 8. My dear students, during the previous lecture we had the revision of unit number 1. Today, we are going to have the revision of unit number 2, that is environmental pollution. I am going to discuss few important points regarding various types of pollution and its causes. So let's start with the revision. Point number 1. Due to the important inventions in science and technology, industrial revolution took place in Europe, and since then, man has developed vastly in the fields like electricity, railways, telephone, vehicles, industries, electronics, etc. that have led to a massive change in the human life. The presence of the substances or elements in the atmosphere or environment that are harmful or poisonous to life is known as pollution. So due to the inventions and improving science and technology, various kinds of changes have started prevailing in human life. And due to the presence of various substances which are harmful for atmosphere or lead to a poisonous life is called as pollution. Man had used natural resources in an unlimited manner to achieve progress, and this has become the cause of widespread pollution of air, water, land, and vegetation, which are very essential elements of the environment needed for sustenance of life. And hence, human beings have started using the natural resources very unwisely. And hence, due to achieve the progress, this had become the cause of pollution. Various kinds of pollution such as air, water, land and vegetation are polluted, due to which the sustenance of life becomes difficult. Let's see about water pollution. Water becomes impure or polluted during the process of manufacturing. The chemical infested water of industries is released into rivers, streams or onto the land. Such water pollutes the rainwater, the groundwater as well as the land on which it is thrown. Due to such polluted water, many aquatic animals are destroyed. As the industries in the process of manufacturing use water, the dirty water which is removed from the industries are thrown or released into the rivers, streams or lands, and hence they pollute the river water, groundwater as well as land. As the water from the drain of the cities is released into rivers, lakes, etc., serious problems of water pollution also arise in cities. Agriculture produce and grass grown using this dirty water contains many pollutants. To prevent water pollution, dirty water from the industries and gutters must be purified before it is to be released into the rivers or streams, and hence strict controls should be taken or imposed in order to release this water from the industries. Now let's look into air pollution. Air pollution is also one of the major concerns of the world. Air is polluted by the gases and smokes emitted from the industries. As you know that air is the basic component which is very much necessary for the sustenance of human life. Such air is polluted by the gases and the smokes emitted from the industries, vehicles and that run on the fossil fuels. They release smokes and harmful gases like hydrocarbons, nitrous oxide, carbon monoxide, etc. And these harmful gases have been mixing in the air continuously. So their proportion in the air also increases, and hence the quality of air decreases. As the humans are leading to the path of progress and development, deforestation is also taking place at a very large scale, and hence CO2, that is carbon dioxide and other carbon gases, the proportion of those gases are increasing in the air, and thus this leads to the global problem of global warming. Air pollution causes many diseases like diseases of throats and lungs such as asthma, breathing problems, etc. Dust particles floating in the air lead to the diseases like cold, cough and allergy. Sometimes poisonous gases mix with the raindrops and cause acid rain, which is very harmful for the plants and animals. My dear students, today here we are at the end of this video. I request you all to read the textbook and the chapters from the textbook for your unit test, as the question will always be from the textbook. So, as a part of today's homework, you can go through the water pollution and the air pollution and revise the same. In the very next class, we will be discussing the further two types of pollution, that is land pollution and noise pollution. Thank you and have a nice day.